previously, you'd have to have a big vessel and big chunky equipment to gather this data. You'd have to have a pilot, more crew, and it's going to be time-consuming, expensive. And we've narrowed that down to a single operator sitting at home behind his desk, steering and mapping all of the data.
The Isaac Asimov concept of robots taking over our jobs and supplanting us in day-to-day activities, it's science fiction. What robots and autonomy gives us is it gives us new jobs to do, new ways of working. Robots aren't going to take our jobs. Robots are creating more jobs, more ways to collect data, more ways to work in the ocean. So robots aren't going to take our jobs. They're just going to give us more ways to understand the ocean and work in the ocean and combat climate change. They're going to give us ways of doing things that we could never do on our own.
I would say the divers now, they can do a lot of stuff. They've been doing it for many, many years, right? The robots coming in. So for example, one of our robots, we can attach 20 plus accessories, right? You have a selection of accessories you can choose from. Let's say for scientific research or for environmental, we got water samplers or sensors for that situation. For search and rescues, you can use sonars, imaging sonars to detect bodies. So for various views, I would say not to replace of the diver, but to help the divers down their job more easier, safer, and more efficient.